These are the tools you'll need for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a chisel, a spudger. Now let's get started. Use your fingers to take off the back plate. Use the precision Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screws holding down the mid plate and the top speaker. Remove the battery. Detach the mid plate from the phone. Use the spudger to disconnect the top speaker flex and the iSesamo chisel to remove the top speaker. Take the Phillips precision screwdriver and unscrew the screw on the bottom of the motherboard. Next, take the spudger and disconnect the flexes and antennas from the motherboard. Use your hands to maneuver the motherboard off the frame. Use the Phillips screwdriver and the flex chisel to disconnect the top camera and the antennas from the frame. Use the scraping chisel to disconnect the volume button flex from the frame. Use your fingers to detach the top speaker and the volume flex from the frame. And there you have it, a job well done.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. You can also find our whole repair video gallery on our website at www.BuySellRepairs.com. Need parts? No problem. Just visit our website and take advantage of our great deals. Also visit our website to sell your device and get an instant quote today.